So today I'm going to show you how to bring PDF plans, like building floor plans, footprints, things, into Fulcrum so that you can use that for an interior inspection, just to know where maybe the stairwell is or the bathroom or room 1, room 2, etc. It's just nice to have. So if you have CAD plans in PDF form, try to get them to a JPEG or a PNG, and then we can work with it from there. I need a sample, so I'm going to use the Moscone West Conference Center in San Francisco, and we're going to drape some plans over an aerial photo that looks like this. And the plans happen to be publicly available for this demo, so that's just a fun experiment we can do real quick. I could download PDF. Again, you need to convert this to a JPEG, but I'm just going to right-click this image for now and click Save As, and this will download as a PNG for me. So I'll click Save. Inside of here, now that I've got the image, I need Quantum GIS, QGIS. I'm launching that, and now that I've got it launched, I need to just launch a basic map. So I'm going to click on this white project template, double click it, and that brings me to just a plain old map, so no big deal. On the left, you'll notice there's a couple of quick things. So XYZ Tiles has OpenStreetMap. I can drag and drop that in, and now I have a place in the world. So I need to search my location, Moscone. There is a search box in the bottom left corner where you can use a geocoder. And there's a caret, a little right arrow caret that you can use to get that activated and then start typing Moscone. Let's do Moscone West and see if it comes up with something. Yep, awesome, it nailed it. So I'm going to double click on the address and it took me right to my area. Now, I'd like to have an aerial photo to really confirm where I'm placing my points, so I need to bring in a Google map or a Bing map or something from Esri. It'd be nice to just use a plugin for this. So in QGIS, go to Plugins, go to Manage and Install, and inside of here, if you look at the not installed plugins, search for something called Base Maps. There it is. So I click this once, click Install Plugin, and it doesn't take very long. Click Close. From here, a new icon pops up, a little blue wave looking icon. As I click that, I have an option now for Google, satellite, or hybrid. Let's just choose satellite for now, and click Load. So now I have an image from Google coming in. That's just one of many options, but this helps me understand where to put my floor plan. Okay, so to georeference that floor plan, under the layer palette or the layer menu at the top, click on this, go to georeferencer, and a little tool pops up. This doesn't make a whole lot of sense at first, but think of it as a 2D map to now reference to the world. I need to get my photo in here or my plan in here, so I click Open Raster, and in doing that, choose that PNG or JPEG that you've got from your CAD plans. Your experience may vary. Click Open. And I have too much information. I need to just kind of zoom in and pick a couple of points that match this photo. So I'm going to choose, let's see, let's do the interior corner of this roof line. I'm going to choose from Map Canvas, from the interior corner here. And I can keep it loose for this demo. If you had survey coordinates, you could just as easily type them in here as well. I'll click OK for one point. I need to choose another point, so I'm going to choose this upper right corner at the bend. Click from Map Canvas, and oops, I messed up, so let's move the map. We're going to do it one more time. Click here. Okay, should have them tied in good. Click OK. So now the projection is important. There's many ways to transform this projection. So click on this yellow gear, and in here, make sure that Helmert is chosen, not linear, not polynomial, or anything else. Helmert's the best for a 2 points flat paper to go to the world for what we're doing right now to make it efficient. The file name matters. You need to choose a place for this to go. It's currently saving as the same file name with an underscore modified.tif. I can choose where to put it, but I'm just going to accept the defaults in that same folder. Nothing else really to save in here. Just make sure that yours matches mine. Click OK. So now I need to run this. So I'm going to click play, and it will georeference and load it into my map. I'm done at this point with the georeferencer, so I can close out of it, and I don't necessarily need to save my points because this was just temporary for what I'm doing. So no save. But I don't like this white background. How do we get rid of it? There's a couple of ways to do it. You could set a no data value so that 255, which means white, is the pixel value that makes this transparent. That's getting really weedy and technical. But what I'm going to do is a neat little trick. I'm going to double click on this, or just right click it, and then you go to properties and then click on symbology. From here, go to blending mode. Multiply is what you would want to do. It takes white and just blends it straight in so you can't even see it. I click apply, and there it's pretty much gone. So click OK again, and now with that multiply setting, I can kind of see through the color, so it makes it somewhat translucent, so I can see the aerial photo underneath it. But I can definitely see the text and the outlines of stairwells and bathrooms and things. Okay, now that I have this the way I want it, I could choose to turn off the Google satellite, I could choose to turn off the OpenStreetMap, or I could bring either one of them back. In this case, I'm going to keep the aerial photo for my inspection, and I'm going to make an MBTiles layer to bring that back into Fulcrum. So here's what we need to do. We need the toolbox, which is up here at the gear icon. Click that, and you have a processing toolbox available. Type MBTiles. The option for the raster tools MBTiles is what you really want. So I'm going to double click this. And the extent is very important because you don't want to create something that's worldwide. You just need this view that you see immediately in front of you. So let's use the current map canvas extent. The minimum zoom, I would always choose 0 because I want to see it from way far out on the map, just in case, to know where it is. The maximum zoom, though, this is different. So I always recommend at least 18. But every time you go a level deeper, like level 19 or 20, you're quadrupling the file size with another layer of pyramids being built for the tiles. So you have to kind of pick and choose here. I'm going to choose level 20 for this detail because I want to read the text, but I don't necessarily want a huge file at level 22. Background color transparent. And let's go down to the output and save that as a file in the same project folder. We'll call it Moscone Tiles. Notice I'm using underscores. This is just a best practice than using special characters like spaces. Sometimes processes don't work well with GIS if you use anything other than underscores. Click Save. So notice something else happened. That whole dialog box disappeared. This is a known bug in QGIS. If you just move the main window out of the way, the dialog box happens to be sitting behind it. So all you have to do now is click Run. And when that's done here momentarily, and some of these tiles can be huge, keep in mind. So this may take a very long time to run depending on your scale and zoom settings. But this one was very zoomed in, very small scope, so it was very fast. So it generated, and I'm going to click Close on that now. We don't need QGIS any longer, but I'll keep it here off to the side. Meanwhile, back in Fulcrum, we need to make a map layer for this. So I click on Map Layers at the left. We're going to go New Map Layer, and we'll just go ahead and choose MBTiles and the file that just got rendered, which is Moscone Tiles, MBTiles. Click Open, and it's going to give it a name. We can change that name to be more cosmetic here in a second. So let's just do that. Moscone West. All right, make sure that you choose the permissions of the members that you need. So in this case, I'll just add one extra user who needs to see it, and then click Update. From there, any app, all you have to do is launch that app again and go to the Records and then Map View. Inside of, well, I should say the Map View, the layer cookie, the base map and layers icon. In here, you're going to see that layer now as an option, Moscone West. Just check it on. On your mobile device, you'll have the option to download this to your device, so it'll work offline. Click Check, and now you can see that that map, that floor plan, is now baked into Fulcrum, so I can use it for a reference. And in this case, it makes it easy to understand where I'm doing my inspections, because now I can see stairs, lobby, escalators. Let's just make a new point real quick. So I'm going to drop it in the stairwell, and in here, I'm going to say project was the Oxford project, US project. These are just examples. But my entry notes, stairs had scuffs at lower level. Oh, and I meant to add one more note here. Walls need touch-up paint. So see what happened. The notes history is combining notes. This is a trick of data events that you can explore later. Some code behind the scenes that merges these together for you. And we'll give it a good, fair, or poor rating. Go fair, and then lock it in. So now that my inspection is complete, I have context for where the inspection occurred based on the plans, and I can add many more from here. So I hope this was helpful for you to organize your floor plans and proceed with welding that in.